Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme P3 Pro and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Then let's tap on Backup and Reset, and here in this Google Backup section tap on Google Account. If you've got your Google account added to the device, you will be able to simply choose it from the list. If not, you have to add it. So let me tap on Add Account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Here in this step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Okay, and tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on Next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and then tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, of course you can tap on them to learn more, and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage, not the shortcut of backup info, but actually the shortcut of what your device can backup, so photos and videos or other device data like call history, and it's up to you which data you want to backup. You can choose both or only one. I will choose one, tap on Confirm and tap on Manage Backup. And here we've got another backup section where we can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it you've got backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up, and advanced settings where you can decide whether you want to use only Wi-Fi to backup, and to be honest I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid some charges. So to finish everything, simply tap on Backup Now and your device will backup the data. Yeah, so just tap on Backup Now. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.